हेलो फ्रेंड्स, हम स्टार्ट करने जा रहे हैं इलस्ट्रेशन 6। लुक एट हियर, इलस्ट्रेशन नंबर 6। दिस इज द मनी मार्केट ऑपरेशन हेज। दिस इज द वन ऑफ द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस। प्लीज रीड द क्वेश्चंस हियर। Please see the question here. Illustration number 6. Sunny Limited have exported goods to UAE for Arab Emirates Dirham. This is the currency of UAE. AED. Arab Emirates Dirham. 5,000. At the credit period 90 days, rupee is appreciating against EAD, and Sunny Limited is exporting alternatives to mitigate the loss due to AED depreciation. From the following information, analyze the possibilities of money market hedge. Money market hedge you have to do. Okay. In money market hedge, what you have to do? Money market hedge. There are three steps. First, you have to borrow or deposit, exchange the current market, again deposit or borrow from the home market. Look at here, there is an Indian company, Sunny Limited, and other is a UAE company. This company has exported goods. On the behalf of that, this company have to pay AED 5 lakh after 90 days. After 90 days, this company have to pay. Now, by money market hedge, you have to calculate this. In this case, three steps is required. First, step 1. Step 1. Sunny Limited will have to borrowed on the at a spot on the basis of export bill AED 5 lakh, that is present value of AED 5 lakh at borrowing rate. What is the borrowing rate? Borrowing rate 12% of EAD currency, because EAD currency we are going to borrow. Okay. AED 5 lakh whole divided by 90 days, 3 month. Credit by 90 days. 1 plus 0.12 divided by 12 into 3. That is AED 4,85,437. First, you have to borrow. You had to receive rupees 1 lakh, rupees 5 lakh, AED 5 lakh after 90 days, after 3 months. But in place of that, you borrowed from the bank on behalf of such bill, and you will receive in place of these 2 3 months earlier 4,85,437. This is just like a bill discounting. Now, a step 2, what you have to do? Step 2, equivalent rupees for AED 4,85,437 at a spot rate. At a spot rate, you have to convert a spot rate. So what is the spot rate you have? This is the spot rate. AED1 equal to AED1 equal to, this is a 3-month forward rate at a spot rate. Suppose bank is here, customer is here, you have AED and this received rupees, and this is the commodity currency. AED is a commodity currency. Commodity currency is coming to bank. Commodity currency is coming to bank. It means bank is going to buy the commodity. Bank is going to buy the commodity. That's why beat rate is applied. 11.50 at the rate of rupees 11.50 per AED. AED1 equal to rupees 11.50. AED 4,85,437. 4,85,437. 4,85,437 into 11.50 rupees 55,82,524.27. Now step 3, you will deposit this money into home bank, Indian bank, for 3 months at the deposit rate. Amount received after 3 months due to deposit rupees 55,82,527.27 at the rate of, what is the rate you have? In rupees, deposit rate is 8%. Rupees deposit rate is 8%. 8%. Now amount you have 55,82,524.27. 1 plus 0.08 divided by 12 into 3 rupees 56,94,000. 56,94,175. This was the one alternative, 175. As per money market operation, you will receive rupees 56,94,175. Okay, 56,94,175. There is a other alternative of hedging. If you will not enter into the money market operation and enter into the 3-month forward rate, in that case, after 3 months you will receive AED 5 lakh, and you will convert AED 5 lakh at a spot rate at the 3-month forward rate, rupees 11.20. If company has entered into the 3-month forward rate, then how much rupees will the company receive? That you need to calculate. Calculation of rupees equivalent to AED 5 lakh if 3-month forward rate is covered. 3-month forward rate is applied. That is 3-month forward rate you have entered into the 3-month forward rate. That is AED 1 equal to rupees 11.20 AD 5 lakh equal to rupees 5 lakh into 11.20, that is the 56 lakh. 56 lakh. Please try to understand. This is a 56 lakh. Here, as per money market operation, you are receiving 56 lakh 94,175. As per money market operation, you are receiving 56 lakh 94,175. But as per forward rate, you are receiving 56 lakh only. Then how much gain due to money market operation? You can calculate. Gain due to money market hedge, rupees 56 lakh 94,000. As per money market represent, you are receiving 56 lakh 94,175. 175, but as per forward contract, you are receiving just 56 lakh rupees 94,175. This is again due to money market operation. The, in this question, you have two options. Either you can convert AED 5 lakh through money market hedge or 3-month forward rate. By both way, you will calculate amount received in rupees after 3 months, and higher one alternative is accepted. Here, money market operation is hedge is the best alternative. Okay, thank you class.